HMD Fusion modular phone revolution exposed. Did you know that the HMD Fusion modular phone could change the way we think about smartphones forever? In this video, you'll discover the revolutionary features of the HMD Fusion modular phone and why it might be the future of mobile technology. Presentation of Problem Challenge, 1 minute. Explore the current issues with traditional smartphones, such as lack of customization and rapid obsolescence. Exploration Development, 1 million delve into the unique modular design of the HMD Fusion, discussing how it allows users to upgrade components easily and personalize their devices. Reveal the standout feature of the HMD Fusion that sets it apart from competitors and demonstrates its potential impact on the smartphone market. Recap the main advantages of the HMD Fusion modular phone and the implications for tech enthusiasts and everyday US. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below and check out our next video for more tech insights.